Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your girl Rejoice One TV. If today is your first time of coming across this my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, to comment below, turn off the notification bell so that anytime I upload the video you will be the first to be alerted. Guys, I upload every day on this channel. I bring out the latest gist, the latest things, what is happening on social media. I bring it here for us to watch. And I want to say a big thank you to my whole subscribers and my new ones and those that do support me. May the Lord Almighty bless you all for supporting me. I love you all. See you next on my next video. Bye bye.
All that for live video. I bought that for live video. It sought Frank. Tell Frank, say where they go, say no good. Say where you are going to, it's not good. Reverse back. Reverse back. If Frankie want go, you reverse back. Oh yeah, then you mave Frankie. Oh, it's then you mave Frankie. Nania. If Frankie knows one saga, we that presenter, which that presenter. When carry that Frank video, where Frank the saga, me come the fight for my case, for my own case. Who be that person? Who fight for me? Who fight for me? Still go, mama. No one bell, no one do web here with me. No one bell. Thumbs up my video. I'm not so.
Hello my people, I don't bring this another ogbonge new update from Avielele. My people, as e dey hot I dey pass now. I see this ogbonge new update. Now say make I bring her come give her, because no be only me wan go dey watch now. Now say make I still come bring her come give my correct people. Make them still feel am, make them still watch am, make them still see wetin dey happen on social media, my people. So I go try my best to analyze this video small. Enogie, Avielele dey disgwangwa Enogie because say Enogie insult her friend wey dey innocent. Enogie think say the girl dey friend Frank. No knowing say no be him, na proud mom. Enogie pass where proud mom dey come go dey insult innocent person wey no know anything. And the girl in question na Avielele friend. So now Avielele come out now come dey insult Enogie back. But before then, if Enogie don explain to Enogie say no be Avielele friend, na the Frank Victor the friend. You don't see person wey be say the friend, you don't pass and you no come insult am again. Because wetin make Enogie dey vex say Frank Victor dey disgwangwa him and him baby mama. That time he go insult them, tell them any different type of things. So Enogie come back say any woman wey go follow Frank Victor, himself go still do the same thing to her. Now instead of am to do the same thing to proud mom, he come pass where proud mom dey, come go dey insult innocent person. So my people, I go dey leave una for here. Mona watch wetin make Avielele provoke come out sef come still dey talk her own too, her own matter. So my people, make I post this video before I go dey go. Make I throway correct salute for my better people. Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening, depend on where una dey watch this video from. If today na una first time wey una dey come across this my channel, mona no forget to subscribe, to like and to comment below, my people. And then mona no forget to turn off that notification bell so that anytime when I upload video, the thing go dey sound for una phone kpaka. So my people, make I leave una for here. Mona watch this amazing hot saga, the way they hot now they bring her come.
All that for live video. I bought that for live video. It sought Frank. Tell Frank, say where they go, say no good. Say where you are going to, it's not good. Reverse back. Reverse back. If Frankie want go, you reverse back. Oh yeah, then you mave Frankie. Oh, it's then you mave Frankie. Nania. If Frankie knows one saga, we that presenter, which that presenter. When carry that Frank video, where Frank the saga, me come the fight for my case, for my own case. Who be that person? Who fight for me? Who fight for me? Still go, mama. No one bell, no one do web here with me. No one bell. Thumbs up my video. I know it's so.
Nico, was sagst du dazu? Ja.
Let's go there. Short message. Who did that? Public start. Saga continue. Who be that devil? Come over here. I was so wow, winner. Wow, win with Saga. I don't go no now. They draw the person. They draw to come Saga. I am here. Happy weekend to everybody. Happy weekend. Welcome to my platform. Welcome to my page tonight. Welcome to my saga tonight. Welcome to everything I'm about to do here, right now, tonight. As they call, share the video. Let the video viral. I greet everybody in the house. Everybody is a baby girl. It's a girl, you know. I just decided to come say happy weekend to everybody. And a little message to Enogie. Yeah. A little message to Enogie. And before I start this topic of today, please, I would love to tell Enogie that. You see that record where Enogie say record me, eh? I say me Enogie can't play am. You don't understand? Enogie, you see that record? You play am. If you don't play am, you go die miserable die for this social media. You see how does it best you they send to me? They should come and be disturbing me with their useless voice. Listen, you get voice where God creates, eh? You get voice where God creates. People like me, if I voice you, you not see a person I voice you. All those yes, you go mothers for Germany. Where they carry they voice me for my WhatsApp, eh? Those are not going to help you. They can only bring your past to you. You got me, sir? They can only bring your past to you. Forget I know they enter live video. Always as before, because I'm a wakale. I'm not like you. I have to look for my daily bread. I have to look for that money where I can't look for Germany before I go do anything on this live video. I decided to come here today to come and tell you, say you mostly Enogie. I never forget that thing, baby boy. I never forget the battle where you say we will start together for this year, baby boy. I am here, guy. Don't be afraid. Don't be saying, I'm not going to marry Avielele. Hey, I'm not going to marry Avielele. See all those single mothers you they sent to me. They cannot even raise one of my hand. They not feel raise. I not talk of saying that they do not talk of all the body they want raise. You know me now. I don't talk of saying that all the body now they want raise. Nobody be mugu, eh? I see one just let's see best you send me voice note. I be no one will come to you. Yesterday I be want to live video. I said no. I just want to wait. Me when I go bring the proof of my generation from Nigeria before I go ball on una. No understand? But today I decide to come a bit on the just let's see best you the way they voiced me since yesterday. Seriously? They voiced me, eh? You know they see you, they do like man. Listen, me I tell you. Shall I tell now say my mom give birth to 4 boys, 1 girl. You know understand? 4 boys, 1 girl. For you to not say me myself I be man. She they got me. Now because of the thing where dead between my 2 legs, now make women they look me as now make people they look me as woman. Or because of the correct way they you know understand? I be man, it bless you. Eh, you were the small since 13 years ago. Seriously? 13 years? 13 years, I said to my mommy back. I never enter Shara. I don't even know what they call Shara bitch. You understand? I don't push Carello like you. Because upon the Shara, then upon any plaster where there's here can be Nigeria. Who why you push Carello here with Germany? I plaster, I cannot no responsible man. Listen, you see all those people, eh? Now where they vibrate. Now how they vibrate, eh? Now I don't feel vibrate reach me now. Now I don't feel vibrate reach me. You know if you raise my hand. You know if you raise my if I sleep. I don't talk of Enogie. You know they say, eh, you don't go mad, Avielele. You don't buy that smoker, my dear. I'm a smoker. I'm a smoker with get brain. Smoke away, get sense. You when they say no, you don't fight for me, I beg. Shall you see the voice note I sent to you? Huh? I beg. Oh, Stati! You know you are my blood too. Stati one. La, where call him? Enogie na e fancy way. Enogie na e fancy way. We are amwe. Yeah, amwe grave vigil at in Nigeria. I'm waiting for the grave. Let them go and breathe the grave before I leave Enogie alone. All my family are you calling me leave Enogie alone. Seriously? He jebo ya do wajia. Enogie jebo do wajia. Wari sa ne no ya snap ke ni amujeji. O ya snap o mo ade social media. That is not only that thing I want to see with my hair before I go leave them alone. Imagine the community. Oh move. Allez verse. No son. Me no ki win arena. Yeah, I gonna relax. You don't see me. Why distance this money? I'm supposed to relax my brain. Then I come out today to let Enogie know that I'm still waiting for that useless record. Where say record me? Mo Avielele. Ekeni me mana record where? Ekeni me mana record with my affair line. If it was inside my room. If me affair ni matsa or you refer erere. Biography. Hello? Okay, sir. Even the matter in Enogie win records in my. Who were me? Hi. Alpha. Good evening. Call you later, okay? I'm on live video. We are so a record we are waiting for records. Why do you rest? Why there was an egbena where then you are sending all those best you. Larry single mother we are Jimmy climb. Why jamais climb? We have a message to me. We message to Avielele. What a message to Avielele level packy boy because Otaro or no when over where sigma we war. Me no sigma me got tata webu. Understand? Me where the smoke. I the reason before I ball out on live video. Me tell the live video you do aroro. She understand the single mother. I saw the video, the useless video you say you drink. Or even a video concerning whatever you said there go there. I was dead useless. You see this live video as a teen, eh? I'll say baby ya fehi. Anything no davi wawe. I'll say baby ya fehi. We no ge kagmina ni mene. La wo go. E video ne no ge naka fight a battle me la wo mwe la dia. U where ye Frankie ga tie me. Asha where ye Frankie where. Eri view mu eri Frankie ga said many things that man. And then Frankie me lele kuna. My dear, let me tell you something. Frank was my best friend before I entered this live video as a thing. I know Frank before all of you guys that is watching me. I know Frank before all the watcher why I can't block made they go that place go they watch them. I know Frank before anybody why I can't say I want to make friend with for social media. Then you can't forget what the brick problem between me and Frank. You forget. May I play the video? What the brick problem between me and Frank? I'm the one that caused the problem, you know that? Now me message to Frank based on the video Frank did. If Frank in my message or my message go me or my tear bomb me. Or my way anything damn me. But now me ball out for live video. I ball out for live video. It taught Frank. Tell Frank say where they go say no good. Say where you are going to, it's not good. Reverse back. Reverse back. If Frankie want wow, you reverse back. Oh yeah, then you mave Frankie. Oh it's then you mave Frankie nania. If Frankie has one saga, we that presenter, which that presenter. We carry that Frank video where Frank the saga me come the fight for my case, for my own case. Who be that person? Who fight for me? Who fight for me? Single mama, no one bell, one jun we be me. No one bell. Thumbs up my video. I'm not insulting you guys. Thumbs up my video. Share my video. And I watch baby. You guys will be seeing me once in a while. I go right on there say now once in a while now they see me, okay? So that everybody go to see them. You understand? But as I they work, those people those best you, they not fit stop my work. You understand? But Enogie, now me and you this year. Now me and you this year. Masan, any Enogie me claim me whatever me and you were claiming. Any message I message to you, you the way I reverse the message back to you with pleasure. Everybody grow together. Everybody grow together. You are so stupid, Enogie. You send you a lot of imbecile, some imbecile, some idiot, some muggers. Where beside their penis, he bend one kind. Send it then to me. To come and be calling me, my dear. I was a smoker when my mom was alive. I was a smoker when my dad was alive. They know say our daughter was a smoker. So I don't see the reason why you guys on social media will be drinking Panadol in my own smoke. The smoke I bought with my money. That is so shiesty. That is rubbish. Why I go use my money to buy smoke? You no go they hire me again. Why are you using your destiny to disturb the smoke I buy? Oh God damn! Oh where? You know they see you. You are smoking. You are smoking, my dear. It's smoking. I need to smoke and see your destiny. I need to smoke and tell you what you need to know. Are you a bomb bastard? Now you watch and I get baby really. Me cigar smoker. Yata me right no gune. Hey, ik man smoker me you bell. Isa go karaju well swore. Let's go my other. You are so stupid. You where you may learn? Where you may learn? Omone de coco. Esa de rave sadije. Ijo. Abi me mune de. Agi bieme. Ije vegi bieme. Ona mume ne de. E de esa de ragi kamume. Ona kokome. Esa dije na mume. Ona kokome. Iya yeve kokome. Me wane. I want send no friendly boy ne before I know the mother that give birth to me. Are you a bomb bastard? I'm not walk back. I'm married. I cook me one. I'm not like you, bitches. What's that badge? Nigeria bag you one there with Bopono, a meter me no one wavish way and I'm right here. Here I'm motor here, maybe here just to bring you guys to Europe. At the end, you guys now be like dog for Germany. Dogs. Bonnie anyhow, carello, they push anyhow. Seriously? Now you want use me tell now you Enogie one second. You Chris. Where the real wiseness in Enogie? I don't believe we man use sense in the life now. You give Enogie sense. Where's Enogie? Because Enogie needs to wise. Really? He needs to wise. Where I go with my wise? Why can't you wise that imbecile? That mugger, that idiot. Where government they carry, they put for bush to bush, they go village to village. I did for Europe. I did for Europe. I say, city. You are so stupid. You are mine. I did for camp, but my own grades it better pass you. You know you live in this Germany. There is a two type of camp that they see: living camp, living house. That is what a lot of people used to call living camp. Why the main camp is main camp. I live in living house. I there for living house. I'm be here for how many years? I know what I use my hand. I don't know how much I don't count with my hand since when I did this house. I don't know how much I don't pay government since when I did that my room. I don't pay many taxes since when I did this this country. What are you done? You will government give us. You will get the luck of us. Wait till you don't do for this country. Wait till you don't do for this country. Stupid Omoria, it best you. Those the best side where they say me that they call me. They can't help you. Can only breed disgrace upon disgrace to your generation. Because me, Avielele, I will be here. I will see the year. They see your downfall. I will see the year. They go down. Because right now you are going down. Because you're supposed to they go up, my brother. Upon not how many years you are big in social media. Upon not how many years. I never even dreamed to come to this Europe. Uda. I never dreamed to come to this Europe. You are being this fucking social media. What have you achieved? You sending people to come and be threatening me? No. All those threatening, they don't feel affect me. I'm waiting for that may threaten me, that police issue. Now they wait for, because only one day I no smoking, the whole wide world go no say I no smoke for my house. Every day I must dine. I must smoke. I go smoke to the essence. You know I don't get boyfriend now. And that smoke be my boyfriend. Go smoke to the essence, the thing go they walk all over my veil. Then I went to bed, sleep off. The next day I go wake up, go walk. Why you drinking Panadol in my house smoke? Are you a bomb bastard? Are you a stupid? It's like you are stupid. But why you are stupid? Stupid or Moria? Eat beside. Benny fucking idiot. Benny fucking dick. I get my brother. I don't get this thing for you. Me I can't listen to the useless black boy we sing. Come, first black boy. First useless black boy. Babe, you said you share my video. Eh? Hello? Hello? You share my video? You not share my video? Well, why we swim and never share video? Give me a again, my people, listen and be blessed. How many people share? Listen and be blessed, my people. You see, I just want to play this few because you see that one where that get with me and the get they talk to each other. I send down those voice notes. I want me go play them, me use and grow. Say me, I'll come message to you. No. Now I know because you need to message to me for you to grow. Why me need to message to Enogie? Or we're not so I'm message to for you to grow to that extent. Enogie reach me. If I don't see reach the set of this Enogie reach, I will message to the people who pass Enogie. Bomb bastard, it bless you. You don't share. Merci. How many people? How many people?
People what? That what?
What is that word? I'm coming, guys.
People that what?
Sag mal, wie war eigentlich dein Ausflug? Naja.
Share my video, guys. Share my video. Share my video. Me not let my video viral. Yes. Me not let my video viral. Enogie is threatening me. Enogie, you saw those your small threatening. I just they call on like a little baby threatening because that is why they call you baby boy. You don't get sense. Me, I know they do that kind of threatening. Me, if I want to go to Nisha you, and for me to go to my station where they near me, I go my station here, carry your picture, carry your details, everything. Go give them. You go to see and cry. Me I not be all those said who go say they go to Nisha person 100 years coming, they know they call them for court, no. My own case is different, bitch. I be Jama. Nasan, I be Jama. I be Jama. Also, I say, this I don't even get the comment. You don't even get the comment, my dear. Mom, I don't have a document. Now me be that person who if I get documents. Before they come carry, they give other people. Because my own case and your case are not the same. They crazy. These are they among of those who carry madam and give to police. I not they among of those who carry their generation give to police just to see documents, bitches. I'm different, bitches. Muggers. Testo. I'm inside my room, just dressing up to go to work because that day I supposed to start work around 6 o'clock, but I wake up around 4 o'clock. Yeah, so I supposed to collect post because my post, somebody who I say me they collect my post, they know they give one the post. So those people now they are coming low as 7 o'clock. They will be there. You understand? So me can call my chef that morning. Chef can say because of me, he go reach office around 6:30. So I can't need to come my working place, say, make that they expect me 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock, I go reach work. You understand? So I don't dress up, I'm just inside my room smoking. Where this bedside call me? I don't dress up for work, then I wait for the post to reach the post, because the post is very important to me. It has been there for some 2 days, 3 days before they not allow person where I say may they help me collect them. They not allow the person collect them, so I just need to wait to collect it. You understand? Before this year man called me. He called me not the listen know whether the voice go clear. No, you're telling me. Even you're telling me, say, they don't even give me this thing for examen. I pray me not here because no speaker. Who you be?
It's been my defense.
You talk, I be me, I cut your call. Wow, where was wo? Ebu, ewe. Bubu, ave ye, ave kia no bigo. Ozo. Wa bigo. Ewe. Where may be? Who will have a day job bless? It's when one never be the whipple with it. It's when one not depend the government. Wazua. Me, I don't come out for saga. All those who na call can never stop me. Never. You know understand? You know go stop me. So stop to the disturb your life. So me na they get rest of mind. He can't let to last sleep. He say Avielele. He go come at your son. He go come at your son. Jesus. Avie. Talkie. I they wash you. I they look you. You are so stupid. Even massive man, we say dig man me there. Me was sigma yege my dear. Where dig man in me there? Guania ubi buawagmo. Me wa live ja. Elafi me live your master way. Oh my master way. Where guana where you me elafi we wa live we bona. Elafi we wa live we bona. Seriously? Elafi we wa live we bona. Walking at my one day lafi me live ya. Egbegi wo where? Eh? Are you tired? A vision ute mure wo we na make by a vision mure wo we na make by Ekigbuwa. It was a love wagi. Baby I'm me. A vision ute mure wo we na make by wa bibo. Where they want wo again now what is single girl. Etu we zuwa. Eh? Again now we are a single girl. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Talk now. Uwe wa gwa. Agbonu boy. Ude wa gbon. Agbonu boy ufiyan wo. Ozo. Uwe rinyo. Jesus, Lua, na God go help all of una. Na God go help all of una because this one when me come out so, whether I no give beg me, it no beg, it no meet arrest me. This year na for me and Enogie. Whether una love it or una no like hey, if you know say you get fed and they born you well and you grow well, you grow, you get that agility well ball on me on social media. I'm not there for those no number calling. You know understand? Even my white man not they use no number till they call me. I just want to pick your call. You there on record. You know, change the capiche. You there on record. See this idiot. See monkey. You are so stupid, Omori. Gwan. Talk. Talk agbunu gbo ogbe family wonu. Agbunu gbo onu ogbe family wonu. Ogbe wani ve gieweri. Agbunu gbo wa ya fodu. Ave kia ni bigo. Abolation to ni vun Deutschland. They crazy. They born you way. You calling me this kind of time. You know you fear. O ama mwe. Isago we. Uwa dewu. Uwa hola horie be dead. Iwa vie bonwe. Uwa hola horie. Hey. Ogun ohia deju we. Ogun de yegbu we. Egbuwa bibio deve no bibio dena. Cause egbuwa agboma ka megbuwa. Agboma ka menya. So nana agboma hedo megbuwa never. As why me for this 2022, I born on a family. Una family can never die way. You know understand? So all those way they talking. You know you're arrest me. You know capish? You know arrest me. Gwan agbonu gbo no abetu we gbe o. Gwan latian. Ujun we bie ko evian. We gwan nia. Why are you not talking? Are you a deaf adult? Why you not they talk? You get the feather and you want flan on me this early morning. You know fit talk. Agbonu gbo no wa de wo egbe we ya fe abibio de wa de hula horie sago de juwarere. Ozo, he best you. Get out of my phone. I'm through with you guys. Avielele is back for saga. You cannot stop me. Nobody can stop me. Your generation can never stop me. Fuck you. Bye. Idiot. Now they call me. They use your no number till they call me. What are you saying? To be scheiße. I am back for saga. You can't stop me. You know if you stop me. Ever since why I stopped saga, why I don't they do saga? You rest for saga. Let's do the saga together. You scared? You are so stupid. I'm ready. Anytime you wake me, I'm fully ready. This is which time you call me so. This is 5:25. 5:25. Almost 5:30. What day was so? Who you be? Are you ready to talk? All those ones who they do, no go help you now. I still remember that girl. All those ones you guys are just doing, it won't help you guys. I've said it. So you do nothing. You do no more than fucking dead rats. You got me? You see this saga where I come so nothing what I feel do. Fuck you. If you see me say I pick your call again, call your dog may bite me. You are so stupid. Who have no get agbe over Vienna? Who are fear? A trade track of Belu wa Belu. Wa Belu wa Gmo. Trade track of Belu wa Beju wa Bayozu. Ogunog Biju wa Beru wa Away press up before next. You understand? Ogunog bije no ge bere no ge we press up ifune. Enogie we ye menshia. Wa hi negi menshi. Kose mi teve we mostoru I do e. A wheelbarrow track. A bicycle track. Anything track in that Nigeria. It will track your mother. And that your mother will die miserable death. You sending those Benny fucking dick. They should come and be bossing me. It will help you, bitch. It not go help you. Baby boy, it not go help you. Go collect sense, ya wise. So merere men. Erere we magba. Erere we wag me. Erere no give me. Enogie. Who born you? Where the you say you records me. Because of mommy vie, you no go play the record. Why play you? Why play records you? Why play record? Because a miamu do here dig boy. Umana play records. A recording we records me. A miamu do here dig boy. Who we mana play records. A recording we records me. Nekwemu e bla boy no nekwemu no meti ya gwalo ma no introduce that ma no introduce no pay gwali win a black job. If free that government did not allow you to work, you can go do black job. I know a lot of people that is doing the black job and they collect better money. They are not paying the tax. The time where they fight your battle, where people go call, say, where people go, they call for Frank video that time, say, Enogie go and work, Enogie go and do this, Enogie go even at the monthly video. You will say, Enogie go and work, this, I not call you. Me and you not talk for phone. Say me go do black job. We not talk. Say me go do black job. We talk. Say, see the way black job till they go. It's for you to know someone that will know someone that will locate you to someone that will help you out. For you to know I'm a good person. If bedside. The day when you go beg Eddie Murphy, are they among of those who tell you say carry pikin go meet Eddie Murphy? Let devil be ashamed. Avielele yes so. The day where I tell you now that day, now you carry pikin go meet Eddie Murphy. Now lie no gay. Now lie. Now lie. All those one where they say Avielele, and no get fight for you. And no get fight your battle. Are you serious right now? Who am mwere regboto? Ere ruweg mia. When me une no gea. Igo every year nariye no wanda every year my dear. But a wisdom. Wa mi o wane merere. And we merere so we call her always just to advise her. You did the Lord for her life. You did a lot for her life. And no get your command now. Nobody tell me say me I go meet Eddie Murphy. A lot of people tell you. Avielele the exactly day where I tell you say may you carry pikin go meet Eddie Murphy. Let devil be ashamed. That day now you carry pikin go meet Eddie Murphy. You call here now they say Avielele say walk boy. I say walk young boy. Where send me? When I see go mother Nige, a voice note, me voice note to where we went. I'll come play your voice no way the time reach. May you fair grow first. I say walk boy, I see go mother. Oh, Western is I say ya fair ne, Enogie o ni me na Avielele. I say, which any presenter, we don't do any hair for me. Which any presenter, which any. Wakwe de okay? O wakwomia. Egbe kwe ranwa. That means all the years when I tell they watch saga, una not they learn anything from it. Una not they remember the things when I watched last year. Everything when I watched last year, they for my brain. Without I know even play the video. Enogie fights for me. Where Frank they beat me for social media. Enogie fight for me. You are a stupid omoria. Frank will continue to call na shawo. Frank will continue to describe una bekus. And I stand by it. Nobody say no. Because now those ones, now be one stop where no get a drum and leg to saga now. Now be time for this January, this 2022. And Frank be don't hear my voice. I don't talk to Frank. Frank don't hear me. And I even tell Frank, say, una go saga ram, but may take out. May they do another thing, they go. Enogie can't do and pass himself. Enogie can't do and say, he owe too much. My dear, which record did you say you want to play? The record, the way you say you records me. Mommy Vie got line. Mommy Vie was online video. You yourself, you did conference call me. I did there also. If it was inside my room. If it did inside my room. You say you record 4 people voice. My dear brother, I go play out. Or I go hear my with social media now. Why play? Or who say? You go play out, or you not go die miserable death too. You go play out, because if you not play, you must die. You must die miserable death for this social media. I don't understand. Oh, you want to I don't understand. Oh, you want to impress with your new saga where you want carry on, where it surround your generation. Oh, you want to impress with it? Impress me with it? No. I can only be here bullying you, bringing your useless past to you, because I believe myself. You can't see my past. My generation, my family, my blood, my senior brother, my senior sister, wait there for this Germany. My senior brother, wait there for Nigeria. He's watching you guys. If they watch you now, me, I know their notification, they follow now. Phone. If they watch you now, they say you want to go bring my mother. My dear Enogie, you have to send that best away, no give birth. Whenever even miscarriage, one deal, one beat. When womb they leak, you have to go tell that lady to bring my mother, to bring my history. Without that, you not go get peace. You know, say we just new enter this year. And this year, now January, we're there. You can never get peace, my dear, because I'll give you for pieces. Now, pieces I will give you. You want to try me? You want to use me to do toothpick for this 2022? No, look who she face. Nobody they look who she face. Nobody. Because all the battles all of us faced last year, who don't die, or a lot of people die for the social media. Last year, yeah, can't reach this year. Many head will reach this year. They're supposed to stand by themselves. They go stand by their words. Are you a bomb bastard? You sending some imbecile to come and be disturbing me. It will help you, bitch. Muggle, it will not help you. Look at you. Wale me with saga. What till me with saga? Because on merena. Or a problem no waware social media. Enogie merena. I won't fight other people's fight again. I will fight Enogie. Enogie, you call me for saga. I am here for you, idiot man. I am here for you. No etas. No, they say Avielele. You don't rest. Make her offend to where? No, we're not Avielele. Imufu ane. Wa mufuai. Wa mujumu wa mufuai. Di yere ni ya munwe. No amufuai. Di yere ni ya munwe. Iya na kukoki. Iya ki kukoki ya na mu yere juwa mu. Di yere ni ya munwe no amufuai. Di yere ni ya munwe no amufua. Asisi wagi yeke ya. Asisi wagi yeke. Inako we me desize. Iye we tamawe. Where anybody not draw me and this saga, I can't take it. And I so much go love and say, now you mostly Enogie. Now you draw me to this saga for this 2022. We die together. No, Hassan. We die together. Continue your saga now. E saga tifo. Uwe mana lawa. Me lawa. Wawi. Iya mwire iyere juon. O imie. Avielele. Imufwa. Ne wa mufwa. O kame kanwe. Wa mufwa. Yu mufwa. Wagbon. Iyere ni to hiam. O bunwenye. Iyere ni abuwenye no ge. Because when they will say. A problem we see the social media now. See disgrace you cause to a pa meya wefe in your wepa. Go degbe ya ti o wierere. E Frankie na degbe message to wiere. Add the story take go. More disgrace upon disgrace on social media. Because of you, Enogie. Because of you, because we me wezi wono. Ama we ma nwa wa ishara na nwa. Okbenu ya deyegbe libia. We ma nwa wa media. No more than na meriri. No more that okay go am public. You have to visit. You don't need reason. You carry pra. Wo gwanse. Nah, no verse, my people. Edoyak bitan. Edoyak bitan where no one ma come. Who keep quiet? You know Momo. Me, I be troublemaker. I be troublemaker. I can decide to leave the work where they work. I go face you. I go see the money. You know understand? I think decide to leave that work. I will give the Kodigon paper. I'll give the Kodigon paper. The work will go. Then I go face you. Okpolo I no be open. You remember the time when I was not working? You remember the time when I always call myself a jobless girl? You remember the time I born on live video anytime, any day on my room? You remember the time they do live video? How many times a day? Because I was a jobless girl that time. Why can't you wise? Why are you drinking Panadol in my own smoke? Na I wajena. We sigma u merere u userere wala la video de benede de si. Who na can't use pass? Who know the smoke way? You know the talk. You know the talk reasonable thing for social media. Na problem upon problem they call social media. Who not use? Enogie we ya sige. Try to go test time. Many men where you they mingle with, why they see you with, they smoke. You understand? Try to tell them say you want draw. If your blood go take on, Enogie for you to know say I strong past you. For you to know say I'm not a baby, you are a little boy. Enogie, if you strong, go test and if you know run past the G. If not be psychiatric hospital, they will carry you put for this Germany where we deal. If bedside. Seriously? For your own mind, you say Avielele. My dear people, you will not be seeing me always, but I'm more crazy time to do this live video. I don't need anything about this saga to affect my work. Do you understand? But Enogie, I don't get another people who I want to talk about. Because the topic while for talk, Enogie don't change them for my maths this year. Not the way the year go end. Now go remember another topic. And for those who see they inbox me, they say, Avielele, why you not talk for this issue? This issue where they always go on social media. about Rita and Mommy Monica. Why I not talk for the issue? My dear, I no go fit talk put. Yesterday, I did walk where somebody call me, one lady. I still close the side bus, another lady call me again. I still reach us again. One bros and a wife call me. Oh, wait till I see tell una, I want tell una for years so. You see that issue where they go on? The issue is not mine. This is 2022. I have to mind my business right now. And the business what I want mind now for me and Enogie. You see that issue where they go on, eh? You don't say where they always talking for my live video, but now they believe. Now they use smoke of eye. Now they use eye smoke till they watch, till they look at me. But all 1 year time ni waste your live video now. Not be una get my internet too. Not be una get my smoke. But una go they feel like dick for my own smoke when me the smoke till they analyze una issue. Now be waiting they pay me for now. Before this issue start, I felt talking for many of my videos say, may they leave Monica alone. Yes. Wasoviere ayo winyegi we saga wasia wanaga si owede wasi owede sie wasi overe odegbe la janeve saga. So anything wanna see bieram. Anything wanna see una biera, let the saga continue. Because a saga na all tough is say okay last year. Cause last year Monica did not answer any of them. This year he can't answer any of them want to answer, no cause sign me. Ni me worry na merena. Enogie merena. I can be here washing. I will just be here watching everybody. If I like I share. If I like I no share. Cause after all, ni make wa share. Ni make share. Ayere taga wi jobo ni me mama jobo na uni me. Oni ni mi ane no na. Because se fancy no we yan love Enogie. Iya do ata mi me voice note gun we upon no ijobo ni Enogie u ni me. Me na Avielele. Ke Enogie wi jobo ni me. Imagine. E matter ni me we no wa settle with social media no ge wo dero no ya settle. Me no pe record di. Iyo ni matter go down. And where a Frankie man give you a go ahead to play that recording, I not go play that recording. I play that recording. A Frankie give you a go ahead, he can play recording. Magwane we have fed de okay ne. Even when mommy vie call me, I sit tell and say see what Frank talk everything. He say one call. I say mama no go call me no cause problem no. He say one call. Mommy vie call. When Mommy Vie come back, I even say Enogie for president of FA. Mommy Vie was there. May Frank for leave GPC alone. May for not may leave all those women. May make the business. Now make we just they do this thing so. Mommy Vie was so he like and well. Everybody love it. They no get common for the conference call. Can't go they find people. We go message to Frank. Who be Mumu? Who be Mumu? Who be the best you? Anybody Frank is sort. Me na no say na no get breed this sort so na guys so. Me na no dey sleep oh. Why are we with darkness eh? Me na no say na no get na breed this sort to you guys so because e no get way o zero ni ya stop eh. He said there is no road. There should not put end of the problem on social media. So what do you want me to do? Mave no get what zina. It's all those una way they call me eh. Una no go fit help me. Una no go fit help Enogie. Una can only breed the past of Enogie to Enogie. I remember that girl Egbe. There is nothing in this set you can tell me now that you will call me I'll call the sick. Never. Never. Nothing for this earth where you go tell me. Only my mama. Now you go curse, and my mama, you don't die. And besides, as you sit there, you curse and go still pay me. I go carry a I go smoke and forget my sorrow. They Chris. Me are not the sick up or waiting you tell me on social media. Would I can't carry your matter go Nigeria? If you too pay me, I will go junction to junction for your case. You dey Chris. So, me are no verse. For those where they call me, I beg. Now 3 people like that yesterday. Cannot remember the rest again because I what's up the rest for coming. I beg mama and mommy and daddies. You see that battle so again Rita Ayemie again over ya so egbe na him because wadoge mi no roto na Ritaayemiomo si okonare okono ye Frankie do ya muo okono je bi ya fe ya di aloa because I waited Ritaayemie he no go arrest Frank father that time because na Ritaayemie first start to the arrest. Anything what we talk for social media, we supposed to fight the battle here, settle the battle here, but Ritaayemie, he carried the matter go Nigeria. He go arrest Frank Papa. Inside the issue, Frank Papa, he released for station where they put him. You understand? And the issue was not settled. Inside the issue, a page Frankie, honor the degboto, or we page yen degboto, he may even on the yard there again. You understand me, ma very also because again, me ma very more boy say you will say. Shade they feel me. So all those ones now they love to clean before. You know, get say road no day. Ritaayemie even we wa me again na my sister. Bio no ra utiendo we. Why one if you were no biela one no ya ayers here because what about working away? Ne me tell me we no run away, my sister. One agena. Uki away ne me tell me we no run away. Cause meti gwan kesi on na bolo kwa we no bolo kwa we no bolo kwa ni ehe. Enogie, saga continue. Enogie, saga continue between me and you. We die together. You don't understand? Wait me oligma. Oligma no mereri utiesi. Oligma no mesense. Oligma na every train station. Oligma na huijada. Oligma na fisa. Oko na riada oku your dojuga. Iye oligma ni. No ana bibio de wagmo. Ovi untan. Ovi agwe. Enogie is ovi agwe. Iyo well, my friend. If I mean where they were one besties.
When for a purpose, Avielele.
Who shall come with purpose again? I'll go back up for you tomorrow.
Never. I want you to.
Okay, now I'll go back.
Concentrate for your life.
Okay. I greet everybody, guys. So, today just a little bit message to Enogie. And, you know, to Enogie. And those single e-bested mothers, if they try to invite to me. My dear sister, fair go grow first. And if you want to use me to grow, may I show you the way. Write my name, message to Avielele. I'm not going to reply you. Me just they grow, but say, I be good person. You know outside. We watch me grow, I say, I reply when yeah, understand. When you imagine, I got daughter with Facebook, you know. Me have got daughter and daughter we have fire away when the time reach, but not be done. You got me? It no give me a face because my way no give rare equal to equal na the same stage. Me and anybody not the same stage. If you look the way the social media say they come, the way all of them they start live video before I join them, you know, before other people can't join me. You see, say that me don't see go up. You understand? Hey. So, my dear, not be me you want to climb. I will be the one to use Enogie to climb. I will best you. Enogie, a message in all way the body generation way no. All way generation way. A record in where we act when you wanna play who will say wow miserable. Uwu down wa wu, you go die miserable death. Bet me. Ubi a fianwu, bet me. Emi amu do ahia agbenuge, bet me. Betty baby boy. Betty baby boy lo ya wekia. Oh uelele ya fe here. Uelele ya fe here. All the single mothers in ovwe oe jem ken nugo mweko na ne eri husband ogena do gbe mano eko nugo mune. Asio no get wa mu wewe bedroom. Ni egwa no wo kan we ya fi we ya da. I just see they pray for him. Me yeve saga wena. No wokan we ya decide one day where nyegi kun wa kun. Agba wo wa vacuum. Meve leru nu wa kun. Beti me a disgrace Enogie because a disgrace ni Enogie need. Meve leru nu wa ve scatter my sister. Wa kun. Wa bi omo wa bi sakpa wo di wa bi abiono na bete Enogie. I'm here for you. I think one in Udamu where we Germany. Ya tamo wokan we Munich. Ya tamo wokan we best youth. Ewe. Oire. Odo amu ya wewe. Any of the mu weje ba 2020 nuvejo. E ba ne meriri. Nuvejo. Yes, wani ade nwa bie no agbon wefo. Amu we are wa we ya plaster we kia agbon wefo. Uwe ge. Asha wo Enogie. You are a prostate. You are a prostate. Asha wo prostate. Oh here no get we ga kiwe. Oh here kiawe. You are the rich shetro we guys are looking for. A shetro di nati e boji we nati gbegide. Oh we here Enogie. Enogie. Wete boyo. Ade okwone ugo ya mweko na. Adosio e we ga mu we bedroom. Enogie. Okwonu ugo mweko na, can you imagine? Percy boyfriend, Percy husband to be. He travel. Ugo went to the house and pregnant the girl. He fucky the girl. He plaster the girl because the girl can't get belly. The girl carry belly. As the boy hear the news of Ugo pregnant, our wife will leave. Now the boy ball aside. Or he's the girl na belek by your echo. Or he's the big by your echo. Do one. The girl miscarriage. E we mave mugo go yeve ladian we public where no come again no come miscarriage another pikin again o ho ne owo e o ha we rowa o we resuse kwa wa da o wa je traza wa je pet you go o ha we ko wa suse ya agbo because me tell me we na or when mani pugbe Emma, you know, Emma, you have to tell them the truth. Yes, I stand by my truth. Even in me buwa. Emi ya buwa nania. Come and say what you see in my body. Yes. Ugo no people are going me ago like production wedding. No when I want money Mary here where he like production wedding. We me ago like no when I jaje he we mina. Wa love ye kai. Avi ko ya fe no reproduction we. Wa leli ya we mi to ame we mina go. Wa leli ya we mi to ame. What's the neck by? Ele dibi oviere ko fa me ota mame overe di live video ni kaya agbobe na ria no si. My dear brother, I need to run. No we do love your ba me ni gwaje na iwa we do mweko me ne love your ka ipo bia ive boyfriend e bo me fu selfie yi ya wa mweko e do biomo yi I don't know who pregnant me ama who go do mweko me overnight. Ina leve production re. Ina mi ya fe ni jigome ya kwa. Ni jigome ya tele. Over we have like production. When in the production where you want to become a actress or a movie acting, you have to arrange where. Who go only month na go just call you say. Ava Avielele. Business your day tomorrow. We'll go le question tomorrow da. We'll go le question so day like this so time next month we'll go le question. I beg, Alpha, order some clothes now. I need men are you ready fine, men are ready wear. Order some shoes, you know. Unu ye wayata. Unu upon the orderness. Ugo mayeri go meme. You know you see go there no go. Ugo why make him a smoker go. I'm coming to come and collect my money. And when the time go reach for me to contact person, Ezo Mude, Igmina, e mubu ede ani go ve wa rieme umana rieme police a control maya ya ata me police we no ya sunwe venu ya we ni ya delu mo ni ya dele zigi kworo be ni we wo gwa no mi na wu ga me title me wu kumo of one ni ya dele zigi kworo be rudi go Italy ya fe me police o bibio de wa gbon we o wala dia e o go call him ma vederio e confrere call e ya mu ejivu gave I me record e ege no ya call again ni yo call di ge si go moda no ipoti bia oni na take no kere mi ya fe ruwe fu me ugo laye call ni ro wi ya tie Frankie ni ya mu ezofua ya tie Frankie ni ya mu ezofua be ni ya kegui we atie Frankie no we mu ezofua u me tie Frankie we pa ye kore una ya tie Enogie no wa continue let the saga continue why no go continue why can't they pay you now say I the message to Enogie why they pay you why your eye can't they big why you open your eye for me when they say me saga continue why is it paying you ugo we boni yetie pa ye keni jere eboni yetie go ya wuje unwoho egekwo ya wuju nwe because ebo Frankie ya ye geni ya tesi esigo moda no ipotik bia a proud idiot ebo Frankie ya ye proud idiot ya test ebo no ona yi ya test ebo ne ona si aye no wu ona si no de wu ona si no fia wu oye unwo biere da oni opore kakero ni baloyako opore kakero baloyako oni magiwu ugonu ya egwe ebonu tie enwina no ya egwe ebonu tie enwina epa yeke no jero gbe wa gbo fia wu enwina go omo na ya yebo ya testing ya uwe waye surround here we ne never no jebodoni iya wo waye ipotik bia ye gwana ye ipotik bia wo evo no jebodoma ye wu and as so frank anybody will sleep on your chest anybody you sleep on the chest e ya tie bonu ege hianse na ya cervic Enogie because we e centro down we he e centro no we wa ve umie wanera ai we wa se wanera e si leve e tu gwa ve ari ne vai ugwerie vai my baby no way wena eri ugo wa eri omani wa eno ege ni manager wiyan owo kan wa mu ebe ye table be na o wa fion pa fieva e ko vuane e tabaki no wa sive ni ege tabaki ya gbo ago we no le tabaki we do atibe o le smoke wezo we make grade by grade no we make grade ma say grade of your tobacco no we see we make we okay can worry respect me me e de agbo wa ti me la mogo bezon wa be bezon we a blood divine or strong is so wo gbe wa gbo who the who ewe oh wa I vex for those people I beg you saga continue my lovers saga continue they say me they not tell the truth Avielele will tell the truth I will be here saying my truth whether the devil love it or not I will be saying the truth. Yeah, that is it. I stand by the truth because I can never die a young die. I stand by the truth. I will bless you. Ewe. Weni, no we Enogie, we okagbina mene. Umana post a picture ni we awulo joao. Uma post a video ne Enogie na kagbina me. Umarie di proof iladzia. We no ge kagbina me if we are wulo joao e mi nurio boji no do na nuero wa bibio de o ge loe social media here o wa wo na mo me because o ge ni amuju egbe wetisio usio wa so wetisio wa van usio wa bieri ore e di no wa no water negbe water o neju ota wa bibio de wa gbe o you my lovers one love I love you guys. Share my video, press love and like, thumbs up my video, follow my video. Follow my page go like this, Princess Avielele TV. Follow, notification, press the notification bell. Please, always press the Always press the notification bell in my YouTube also. The same day where I take day for this my page, now I take day for my YouTube. One love to everybody. Today, oh, it don't pass. So tomorrow is another day. I love you guys. I love you. Sweet dreams. Bye. Ciao. Baby boy, Enogie, I'm coming for you. We rush. No understand. We rush. We mana say saga, messy saga. And then we are where we no mana with social media. And then on me to be me ave saga. If you are telling no man social media, Enogie mana say saga, messy saga. Anybody you message to, all right, Frank will message to, anybody you message to Enogie, you are in trouble from my hand. You don't understand? One love.
Hello my people, I don't bring this another ogbonge new update from Avielele. My people, as e dey hot I dey pass. Now I see this ogbonge new update. Now say make I bring her come give her, because no be only me wan go dey watch now. Now say make I still come bring her come give my correct people, make them still feel am, make them still watch am, make them still see wetin dey happen on social media, my people. So I go try my best to analyze this video small. Enogie, Avielele dey disgwangwa Enogie because say Enogie insult her friend wey dey innocent. Enogie think say the girl dey friend Frank. No knowing say no be him, na proud mom. Enogie pass where proud mom dey come go dey insult innocent person wey no know anything. And the girl in question na Avielele friend. So now Avielele come out now come dey insult Enogie back. But before then, Enogie don explain to Enogie say no be Avielele friend na the Frank Victor dey friend. You don see person wey be say e dey friend, you don pass am, you no come insult am again. Because wetin make Enogie dey vex say Frank Victor dey disgwangwa him and him baby mama. That time he go insult them, tell them any different type of things. So Enogie come back say any woman wey go follow Frank Victor, himself go still do the same thing to her. Now instead of am to do the same thing to proud mom, he come pass where proud mom dey, come go dey insult innocent person. So my people, I go dey leave una for here. Mona watch wetin make Avielele provoke come out sef come still dey talk her own too, her own matter. So my people, make I post this video before I go dey go. Make I throway correct salute for my better people. Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening, depend on where una dey watch this video from. If today na una first time wey una dey come across this my channel, mona no forget to subscribe, to like and to comment below, my people. And then mona no forget to turn off that notification bell so that anytime when I upload video, the thing go dey sound for una phone kpaka. So my people, make I leave una for here. Mona watch this amazing hot saga, the way they hot now they bring her come.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware